Sir, voice is not coming.
Yeah, hello. Just wait 1 minute. So the first thing that you are seeing, like this is one kind of super for the superstructure. We are not right now in the substructure. Okay? So this we have. Yeah. So here you are seeing this we have one kind of image. So in this image you are seeing we have two kind of software. So why we are elaborating about this one? Because now we have done our analysis. Okay. Now we have check our model. All the things is completed. It means
थोड़ा लैपटॉप बंद कर दादा लैपटॉप बंद
so all of you can see that here we have different kind of like first you have like we have finished our three things. So first one we have analysis. Second one we have design for the substructure and superstructure, right? And third we have to do the generate the detailing sheets, and fourth we have to make the report. So this all we will cover, like how you have to make the report also. Okay, because okay, Hari, I will explain. So here we have these steps. Like right now, we are on the position that we are going to finalize, and we are providing end result for the this G+25 structure. Okay, so the requirement to deliver this whole project, you should have these three all the combined result, like analysis, either it's linear, non-linear, any kind of analysis. Checks. After analysis check, we have design, and third we have the detailing, and fourth we have the report. Got it? So these are the four steps. That five steps. Sorry, five. This is our five steps that we are going to utilize. Okay. So the analysis is done, right? All of you have done this analysis. All the check has been done. Design part is done. Detailing part, like after checking with the superstructure, okay, and substructure, we are here for the detailing. Got it? And how we can make the report. Making the report and presenting to the like your higher authority, it's very important part of the, as a structural engineer, you should be very much aware about this thing. Got it? So to see that what you need. So first of all, I think all of you having the ETAB. Okay, so ETAB, there is latest version that are available, that is V20, this version. Okay, if you install this one, but you need to detail the things in the CSI detail B18. Okay, this is B18. All of you can now write down that B18 CSI detailing you need to install. Got it? And B18 CSI detailing is compatible with version of like ETAB 16, that is 19, 20, like that, up to 20. After 20, we have CSI detail, that is the 20 version. So this 20 version are not compatible with this ETAB 19 and 20. Right? So in brief, what you need right now, I will just make one arrangement. Like if you have, first of all, if you have ETAB 16, 18, 19 or 20, up to 20, you have to install CSI detail 18. That is compatible with this one. All of you get this point, right? After that, this CSI detail, we need to install this one. Right after, where we will get. So after this one, we have SAFE. That is CSI SAFE. So CSI SAFE, like if you are using the 18, that is CSI SAFE 12 or 16, right? So you don't need to like do like there is no such kind of option that you might not be able to export the file to the here. This you can't do. Okay, you only can do this one. So this CSI SAFE 12 version, you don't need to detail that one because in CSI SAFE there is already option for the detailing. You can directly detail the things. Okay, but see for the latest version, like if you are using, the ETAB, what you can say that 20.0 and they are above version, like any version that are coming with after the ETAB 20, 0.2 and 2, then you need to install that CSI detail 20. Okay, that is V20. You can write down V20. If you have this like the version of the software that are above than this CSI ETAB 20 version, then you need to install this one. Okay, and also you need to install save that latest version 2020, that is V20. Save V20. Okay, then this CSI detail is compatible with this both the software. Got it? This both the software is compatible. So all of you, let me unmute all of you. So all of you having like, did you get all the point? Like if you are using this version of the software, you need to use CSI detail 18 version. If you are using higher than that one, you can use CSI detail V20 or SAFE 20, you can use CSI detail. So this is the software you need, right? So in first mode, we will learn that how we can practice the things between this all the software. Got it? After that, we will collaborate with the BIM software. Okay. So the BIM software we take under the TEKLA plus Revit. So this both software we will take into the consideration that how we can finalize. Okay, how we can extract the information and we will get to this point. Okay, so now let's see that how we can proceed. So first of all, what we need that we have the CAD file. So the first thing that you need to study the CAD file, and I hope all of you have done that part. And after that, we need to develop the model. Okay, so developing the model, it's not a very big task for all of you. Okay, just let me open the one software. Got it? So the file, what kind of final result you will get from here? That is, so after using this all the software, you will have some of the model. So what is that model? Let me explain you. So you need in final, first one you need the CAD file, that is layout, that is floor plan, that is a structure plan, right? So after structure plan, we need like we have developed the ETAB model, their complete model. It means it's complete. So you need to keep one in one file. I will show you how you can make that one. This is complete. After that, you need to design the that is foundation. Foundation where you have to design in the shape. Okay. So just wait. ETAB complete. After that, we have safe foundation. After that, we have slab. After that, we have the slab. And these all things you need. Okay. And what is the file type? Okay. So all of you know that you have to keep the file in EBD form dot EBD. This is the file extension E dot EBD. Right. After that, you can save the file in that is F2K. Right. That is the text file. Sorry. F2K. And there is other extension that is called dot that is detailing file. Okay, that is called DBDT. Okay, so this DBDT is the detailing file that is new added in the software, the software program. I will let you know that how we can. And after the slab, these are the file type that you need to extract. And after this slab, okay, this all the information gathering, this all the information. What you need, this is the file type we have. You can note down. Okay, if you have pen and paper, you can note down. Then you don't need to revise the things again. So after this one, this slab, you need to fix this all the things in this 3 mode. Okay, in this 3 file, you have to keep the things. Got it? After this, you have to generate one model. Okay, like if we have, here we have, that is called the, here we have the EBD file. That is the ETAB file. All of you know this one, the EBD file, right? This EBD file, we can directly export the model here to the BIM software. Okay, so BIM software you can model, you can directly export to which type of software that we have, TEKLA and Revit. You can directly export this software. Okay, for the like other purposes, like detailing sheets, you can extract. Okay, so this is the process. You can also extract the file not only from the EBD, from the SAFE also. Okay, that is footing file, that is foundation file, that is SAFE. You can also take into the Revit. Got it? Not in TEKLA, but in Revit you can. Okay, so these are the whole process that we need to summarize. After that, you should also aware about the, all of you know how you can make the presentation. That if you don't have the knowledge, just revise that one. That is PPT. Okay, PowerPoint presentation. It's very needed thing. Okay, why? Because everything you are practicing, you need to present in a good way. And you have to understand that as a structural engineer or as a professional, you must having a good command over this software, over this presentation skills. You know, there like all over the world, like the consulting firm, that is management consulting firm. Please listen carefully. Like the management consulting firm that are like very big MNC company are working, they are just presenting the thing. Okay, so presentation is very powerful skill. If you have that one, you can convince your client or any at any place at professional level, you can add some of the extra benefit in your career. Correct. So this presentation you need to make, and how we can make that, all we will include in this session. So this all about today, like briefing, that is basic briefing. After that, first of all, I will show you the folder. That how your folder looks like for the for this one. So here you are seeing, I have, all of you are seeing my screen. Hello, Kareem. So hello. Here you can see. Hello, Kareem. Hello, Kareem. My voice is clear.
Hello. Yes, good evening, sir. Yes. Now,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
So here you are seeing, this is our standard folder. Okay, in this standard folder, first of all, like here we need to, there is one file that we need to, first of all, the CAD file. Okay, so that is the our, just wait, I am opening one file. So this you are seeing that we have the draft file. Okay, that is what it is. This is the structure framing. So this is the first file you need to keep in your project folder. Okay, this is the architecture part, and this is their framing. Got it? So this file you need to keep, and I will save this file. Here we have the save option. So save file. Okay, and save file as. I'm just going to the desktop, and here we have to save that one. It's already saved. Okay, that is G+25 high-rise building. Okay, so this is the first file you need to save in your PC. After that, get back to our folder that we have this G+25 EBD file. Got it? So this is the final file that we have get after the analysis, all type of analysis and design. So I will just open the ETAB model. Got it? Just see. Just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. So right after this one, what we have to do that okay, just close. Just I am opening the model. It's opening. Okay. So first we have that ETAB file. So that ETAB file you need to open. Let's see. And there is some precautions that you need to keep while analyzing the file and exporting, importing the file, because in lots of time the candidates get confused or they have error in the model. So what is type of precautions that you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you are finalizing the structure or finalizing the model, so like see, you have complete ETAB model, complete ETAB model. So this complete ETAB model, whenever you are opening, once again, you need to analyze again the file. Okay, so that will be your final, because after you have just switch off your software, so there the model get unlocked. Okay, so after getting unlocked model, you have to again analyze the model based on the load you have applied. So again, it will generate the report. Got it? So this is the precautions that you need to keep in your mind. Okay, so after this one, we will get back to the, just give me 1 minute. So here, if you have that original file, you can also import the E2K file. Okay. So why we can import, why we have to import the E2K file? Because if you are using, like you are using another version of the software, ETABS 16 or 18, so this E2K file will give you one command over this like migrate between the different version of the software. Okay, so this E2K file you can easily export. Got it? So now I am opening through the E2K file because the model is made in the there is some warning. So what is this warning? It means like we have applied the all kind of analysis. So there is time history method that are already applied, and the RSM method is also applied. So we need to switch off, like we need to untick some of the analysis when you are performing. So this is the final that model that we have, and this final model we can abstract for the many informations. Right here we have the project property. You can see their design preferences, all kind of things. Okay. So in this one, here you can see first thing that we need to do, like we have exported the file right now. So we have this analysis option. So we need to run analyze. Okay, you need to save the model again. I am saving this one. Okay. So after that, again it will analyze. Like I am going to analyze this model again because we want like information. What kind of information? I need the file for detailing. Okay, so you need to analyze again after getting the analysis. Like it's under process. You can see it will show you here. Okay, then their calculations or their like numerical value you can see, and here also it will display. So this will show you that your model are under process or analyzing. So after this analyzing, what we will do? We will do the detailing, and where we can do the detailing in different. First, we need to you can use CSI detailer or you can use the like different BIM software. But we first need to detail through this CSI detailer because it will become very convenient. Okay, for like all of you, because after reading that file, you can easily make the detailing file or detailing of their beam column in another software. So it's very convenient, right? Like here you are saying that it's under analysis, right? But here it will take some time to analyze that one. Meanwhile, meanwhile, what we will do, just I have minimized that one. What So what we will do, just we will see the detailing. Okay, like how we can do the detailing. So I am opening CSI Detailer 1800. So all of you having this software, I hope so. If you don't have, please let me know. I will give you the briefing that how you can download. So here you can see that we have this detailer, CSI detailer. Got it? And here we have, like if I go with the new detailing, you need to select the EPD file. Okay, so we have already analyzed model. So I will go for the E2K file. Got it? Not E2K, that is the G+25 structure. Here you can see that we have this EVD file. But see, this is not analyzed right now, it's under analysis. So this is the precaution. Before like if you don't have analyzed the structure, like it's still under analysis. Okay, if you don't use the analyzed model, then it will not show you the exact like detailing. Okay, how? Let me show you. Like right now, our one model is under process, and this model that we have, I will just open this one. Okay. So now you can see that how we can export and import file. So it's automatically open. After that, let me yes. So here you can see Here you can see our file is exporting to the CSI detailer. This one. Okay, this window will like appear after you will export to the file to the CSI detailer. Okay. Just wait. All of you are getting the point. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay. Because the software part is very like critical. Lots of people get they have difficulty while doing this one. Okay, so you can ask the question. So here you are seeing that we have the CSI detailer file. Okay, and this we have all the things. So if you check this one, like we have generally we have expect the file for the beam column. Okay, here you are seeing the concrete beam, concrete column, wall, and frame. So if you check here, okay, it's not showing. Why it's not showing? Because you have export the like the model that is not analyzed. Okay, so that is the problem that you will find. Okay, so the best part that you need to do that is, so all of you are understanding my point, like from where you have to start in CSI detailing. Hello, hello. My voice is clear, Karim? Hello. Now you can unmute and
Yes.
my voice is clear. Okay.
Yes.
All of you are seeing the screen. So the things is, yes, okay. So the things is like we are doing with the CSI detailing, and you have different. Please check your mic and please don't please check your background voices. Okay. So here you can see that we have one tool that is called the option, ETAB and safe setting. So if you just want to extract the file from the ETAB, like here, like I can browse. Either I am using the 18 version or 20, any version you are using, you can directly like see. We have the 20, 18. Got it? So if I go with the 18 version, we can do with the 18 version also. Right? So 18 version you can also open, like just I have extract that one and click here only. Now if I open the file, it will automatically detect the 18 version file. Here you can see that we have that one, and you can easily open that again. So now you can see that 18 version of the ETAB is opening. The model is opening. Got it? Let's see here. The model is exporting to the detailing, and you are saying that grid, story, joint, all the things are abstracting to the CSI detailer. Okay. First, we will do the things with the superstructure, then we will come back to the substructure. Yeah, there are some more. No, this one. Again, we can check for the beam. Now you are not showing anything, but let me import the model first. Okay, so the model is under like model is imported to the CSI detailer. But this is not the final one. Still our model are under analysis. If you see this one, the analysis that I have opened like a few minutes ago, you can see Okay, so it's still under analysis. Okay, this one, this model you are seeing, it's still under analysis. So we have to wait to analyze the model, then we can do the exact detailing in the software. Got it? But still I will show you that how we can arrange the things. Here you are saying without analyzing the model, you will get no rebar. Here you are saying it will show you the section plan, their concrete framing, but not their detailing file. Got it? And for the view, like here we have just wait. Hello, Kareem.
CSI detailer viewer, sir. Basically, moving for the view
Yeah,
and the bottom
CSI
portion.
detailer view.
and the bottom
Okay,
portion
okay.
view.
So here you can see that we have this 3D model. I'm opening that one because in ETAB there is lots of version. It's not showing the exact 3D view. So it's also very good. Like you can see this one. What is this model? And you can check each and everything in this model. Okay. So this is one usability to install this one and run this software. Okay. After this one, we are still on the detailing at CSI detailer, and one model is under analysis. So we have to wait for the few minutes, but still you can see that if you check all the things right here, we have the beam detailing, concrete beam, their framing. Each and every step you can check from here. Their column and beam layout, their concrete column, frame plan, okay, their elevation. But each and everything you can check from here, right? So after this one, all of you have understand my point, like how we can export and import file from here and there. But right now, I am using this CSI 18, that is V18. What's about the 20 version? So there is like changes. Here, if you see that in CSI detailer, you can open the model with two processes. First one, you can open the detailing file from here, or you can directly export the EBD file. But the problem with the latest version that you can't import EBD file directly into the software. Why? First of all, let me finish this model, this one. So now you can see the analysis is done. This model is analyzed. So now we will abstract this model for our detailing. After that, we have to go for the which option, that is the design option or display option to select which type of element we have to design. So for that one, just wait, model are under, here you are seeing it's an under analysis. Okay, here. Meanwhile, I will go with the V20, that is so now I will open the CSI detailer 20 version. Okay, so now you can see that in 20 version, the CSI detailer. Okay, I will show you that how it's different. And here we have CSI 18. That is one is the 20, and one is the I will show you the both windows, like how it's different. Here, you are seeing a whole window with the two screens, right, Kareem? Here we have the 20 version, and here we have the 18 version. Got it? So in this both version, if you see that CSI detail 20 version, the latest version, you can only open the detailer file. that is EDTV file. Okay, and how you can affect the EBDT file, that is the different tool. And here also, if you see in 18 version, you can open the drawing also, got it, and open the new detailing file also. Okay, so these both things you can do in the 18 version. So for now, I will recommend you to use the 18 version only, because in the latest version you may find lots of problems. Okay, so this we have for the detailing purpose. After that, again I will check the detailing file. Yeah, that is the model that we are running right now. So now see, now we have all of you have understand the algorithm with the superstructure, that is the ETAB and that is CSI DETAILER. Now we will come to the that is foundation design and slab design. Okay, so for the slab design, you are frequently using which software you are using? We are using the SAFE, that is CSI SAFE. Okay, so SAFE we have which version we have? Let me show you. Yes, this one. So here you can see that now we have the CSI SAFE. Okay, so SAFE we can use for the that is substructure. They have slab. Okay, we can use this one for the substructure and slab. So how we can again do the things with the software? So if you are using the latest version, like you can install the B20. So B20 are very good. If you see B20, SAFE B20, you can install. It will give you better you can say the interface as compared to the previous version. Got it? So I will open the both the software, like the previous version and newer version. So first of all, I will open the SAFE 12 B12. I hope all of you having this one. So here you can see that we have this oh sorry, not the ETAB. So we have this SAFE 20 here. Yeah. So in this one, you can either directly open the file or again you can import the F2K file. Okay. So F2K file you can utilize for like higher version of the software. Here if I open the new model, like here you are seeing the open, and we have this ground level. So here you are seeing that we have this G+25 and their foundation. Here you are seeing we have DXF, that is DXF file. We can import that file here. Okay, just wait, it's open. All of you are understanding the software part and how you can find the error, like where you are lacking in the software, because lots of time it will create issue. So kindly make the note and remind the things. Okay, again and again you can do this one. Just wait. So here we have this model for the foundation. Okay, but see, we have higher version of the software also. So if I open the higher version, if we open that one also, like CSI DETAILER 20. Not CSI DETAILER, sorry. It is SAFE 20. So first of all, hello Kareem.
Hello.
So this
Yes,
was,
sir.
yes, this was our model that we have analyzed. Okay, so now what will be the next thing that we have to do the design, right?
Yes.
Hello. So which option we need to use? First, we need to select the like
Columns.
element. Yes,
Object type, sir.
yes. So first, I will go with the column.
Columns and beams select.
Beam.
Both are select columns and beams.
See, all the process has been done. Now we are only doing the last step of the project. And here we have the design, right, Kareem?
Yes. Start design check.
And here we have start design check. It means according to the things that we have applied in the structure, now it's checking that our model is okay or not. So you can see each and everything are under process. Just wait. So today, like all of you are getting the point. Hello. I hope like most of the people are known to these things, but again it's an revision. After this one, we will start our seismic, like seismic analysis and design. Okay, that will very in brief. So our next coming lecture, we will first finish the seismic, then we will go with the wind, then again and again, all the step we will follow. Okay, I think Kareem, the design has been done.
Right, sir. As well as walls also design, sir.
Yeah, so first again we have to go for the select and object type
Walls.
and the walls. Got it? Close, design, and
Shear
complete
wall.
frame.
Not for shear wall design, sir.
Okay, sorry.
Start
Shear
design
wall
check.
design,
Start.
start design. Okay, so again it's checking. Okay, now the design is done. Now what we need to do next, Kareem? We need to save this file. Or we can directly go for the detailing now.
Right.
We have to save this one, right?
Right. Only save
Okay.
this.
So I will just save this one. Now this is the final model that we have saved. After that one, I will again open the CSI detailer. Okay, and again I will show you that now how you can finally detail the structure. Okay, here file and new detailing. Here we have EDT file. I will just save. Yes, this file I have saved, and now it will open. Sorry, again there is some issue. Just wait. So again, I will get back to the detailing, that is CSI detailer. And yes, here. And here you can see that in the option, we have this CSI option. I will just go to the RAM file, so detailing structure, and I will select the latest version, that is 20. Okay. So again, it will automatically open the 25. Okay. Click OK. After that, we have this file, new detailing. Now you can open this one, this model that we have analyzed. Okay, that recently we have analyzed, and now it will export that file. Right, Kareem?
Right.
So
Sir.
I hope there will be no error. Anyone have practiced this thing in their PC? Hello? No one? Anyone have reached this level, like at the detailing part? No one have done right now. Okay. Now here you can see that it's again it's under process. Okay, if you do this one, it will very helpful for all of you. Like seeing the things and doing the things are very different. Okay, if you have all the software and this file, you can experiment. Okay, now you can see here we have this file, that is CSI DETAILER, and this file we have. Okay, now you can see we have this beam and all the detailing are here. Right, Kareem?
Right, sir.
Apply. Okay, and we need to check every detail has been available here. It is available here, right? And basically we have exported this beam, column, and shear wall or the wall. Now we have to click OK, right, Kareem?
Right, sir.
Okay, so now it will create the detailing sheet. Just see. It will take few minutes. So here we have this file. Kareem, again it's showing me no rebar. Why? I think we need to check for the beam, right? Kareem. Hello, Kareem.
Yes, sir.
Have you opened this one?
Acha,
Yes,
one
now we
minute, sir.
have, yeah, now we have the rebar schedule. Okay, we can check here. And their quantity, net quantity you can check from here. Their elevation. Now we have get this file. Okay, hello, everyone, you are saying that we can utilize this file, like this is the 3D model, like how you have to reinforce this one. But see, this reinforcement, like at each beam and column, it may change. Okay, so you need to take precautions. Like most of the people are providing same reinforcement, okay, in the whole structure. So that is very wrong thing. You need to check all the things very carefully. Okay, like which bar you are using and where you need to, like here you are seeing there is some differences. Okay. After that, all of you get this point, like how you can reinforce and get the details. After this one, let's check for the column detail also. Where we have the concrete column, framing plan, right? Schedule and table. You can just check this one. But you need see this is not the final one. You need to study this all the sheets because detailing are very difficult. Okay. Now you can see this is our that is the detailing report. Okay. Let me show you. So how you can see that this is our, here you are seeing that this is column reinforcement and this is the, what is this called, that is the lap length, right? This we have the lapping. So this all you can abstract for each and every column. Okay, and after that one, let's see what we have for the walls also. So we need to check for the wall also. Okay, so this is for the wall. Rebar quantity, each and everything you can check from here. So I hope all of you are seeing the clear thing. Okay, and this is the rebar detailing for the shear wall. Generally, this is the like very simple. For the shear wall, it's simple. Basically, for the beam, you need to very much careful for the beam and column. Okay. So after this reinforcement detailing, how we can save this file, Kareem? This whole
Sir,
file.
basically, if you require to save in terms of PDF as well as CAD options available,
Yes.
so file options
Here
or
we have the
export
export.
options.
Yes.
Exports. Yes, viewer file, sir.
Viewer file, and here we have each and everything that you can abstract. Like just
In
see.
terms of
Yeah, I just want to see the things with the just column. Let me show you one example. Like this one, rebar case. I'm selecting this, and Yeah, Karim, I need to click OK, right?
Sir, basically, we have to prepare the PDF as well as the DXF also available. Okay.
Okay,
So if you want to make the PDF or DXF also available the options.
okay. So here we have to click the OK, right? And after that, we need to save this one. Okay, here we can save this file. So there is lots of file, and it will take time to like give you the result. But see, that is not the final one. You need to very much careful for detailing purposes. Okay. So after that, you can utilize different software, that is the BIM software. But let me finish with the foundation, then we will get back to the detailing. Okay, again the detailing file. Right, Karim? Okay.
Right.
So now let's come to the just wait. So our superstructure is done. I hope all of you having a clear idea about how we can detail and abstract the sheets. Right after, we will come back to our, that is we were on the safe, that is the foundation part. Right. So in foundation part and the slab part we have left. So just come back to the safe. So here we have this safe, that is CSI safe 20 latest version. I have shown you the things with the previous version, that is 16. This one we have the 16 version, and the next one we have the 20 version. This one. So I am going to open this in the 20 version. Here we have the options, and here we have, you can see this one G+25 and this ground level. And open this one. So this is our the model in the CSI, that is safe. Okay, it's look like very similar to the ETAB because this is the latest version. You can find on the internet. And now, how we can detail the things in the in this safe. Okay. So again, the process is same, right, Karim? First, we have to select the element, right? Hello.
Sir, basically in the safe part, whatever the types of analysis, deflection, okay, or
Yes,
the other checks we apply, then moving for the design part, these are the safe, basically some checks, some designs we are perform. Okay, so once our design will become complete, moving for create the detailing sheet, sir.
Okay, so it's already done all the things.
Sir, if our model will become analyzed, so first of all, require for the analyze our models.
Analyze. So first we need to analyze. Right. So here we have the run analysis. Just save this file. So all of you have your concept get cleared from today's session. Hello. All of you get the idea of how you can export and import file to the different software. Right. So our motive is to like give you the crystal clear things. Okay. So here you are saying this is the like final model that we have, right, Kareem?
Yes. And require for the design. Okay, sir. Moving for the
Okay.
design part.
Yes. Here we have the, and see, this is the contour line. You can easily see that this is generally representing the stresses and displacement. Okay, the red part are mostly in the this one. This all are reflected part. Okay, so there are like maximum pressure are at the center of the structure. Okay, so here we have to design, right, Kareem?
Right, design part.
Design part, concrete, and first we need to select the element.
Basically, sir, whatever the combination we are taken, okay,
Okay,
or design check also this one.
okay, okay. So we need to select design combination or start design check.
Yes.
Start design check. think it's done, right, Karim?
Right.
Now we can go for the detailing. Here you are saying run detailing. You can easily do the detailing of this substructure. So here we have that EBD file. Okay. And here we have that all the reports this there, right, Karim?
Yes.
Okay. These all are the result. It's very like tiny. You can see. Okay, so this is showing you their foundation and study level, their layouts. Okay, the mat view. You can also check plan view, the layout plan. Okay, their top and bottom reinforcement. You zoom in, you can easily find this one. So this is the way you need to reinforce the structure. Okay, so this is the cluster of this reinforcement. So it's very difficult. Like you are not if you are not using the beam. So now you can understand what is the power of the beam. So you have all the things, but you don't have the design report, right? The design and that all kind of things. No, you have the design report, but not the final detailing. Okay, so that's why we need to develop the things in the beam part. Okay, so after this one, we can also save this one, this file. Okay, whenever needed for the layout, the section view, everything we have. So right after this one, I will show you some of the beam tools that we can utilize. Okay, so first beam we have the that is Revit software, Revit structure or Revit mostly the Revit structure. Right, Karim? So Karim, kindly
Yes.
show the Revit interface. So see, now we are going to introduce the beam because we have finalized the our project based on their analysis, design, and detailing. This part has been done. So right after this one, we will utilize the BIM for model process and the detailing. We can do the detailing in the BIM also. So first we will see the things with the Revit. After that we will see with the TEKLA. Okay. So Karim, kindly share the screen.
Sir, basically, if you're using the Revit structure, okay, for performing the detailing, this one, okay. So with the help of IFC or other options, Revit.exe files, we are imported also. Okay, sir, we have already import the models in the Revit. It takes some time taken. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So basically, when we're using the ETABS, I will share the screen, sir.
Sure.
Okay. So, sir, you can see the options available if we using any models file export part with the help of these options. We can also consider, okay, or otherwise IFC files also this one. Okay, so if we make the file IFC, okay, I have already considered or moving for our Revit. In the Revit part, basically we are using for file. We have already import, take some time taken. Okay, so basically moving for the file options, this one or open this one or using the IFC file. With the help of we are open. Basically, the ETABS models, if you want to export the IFC, just export the file, export or IFC file. The other options also available, which is the Revit exe file. Some plugins with the help of we are using also this one, import also model. So we are using this IFC file, this one, export this one, or comes for the Revit part, moving for the file or just open file. Okay, sir. So we are selecting this. So finally it takes some time taken or your model will become automatically generated or control the rendering also this one or if, when we see, so it's automatically generate all the plan. These are the ground plan or second floor. Basically, with the help of 3D modelings, we are perform modelings as well as sheets. We are also extract with the help of this one also. So with the help of this BIM point of view will become helpful. So this one. So all the elevation, all the views, we are control this one. The 3D model also this one. Okay. On the behalf of we are extract the sheets also, as well as we are control the visual this one, basically the 3D model this one. So finally, we can say that whenever we are completing the analysis and design in the ETABS, we have using the CSI detailer. So we have required to performing the modeling, detailings also. So with the help of Revit using for the BIM part also. So this also using other options also available with the options called file, export part, or Revit structure this one. So we are generate this file and also using the ETABS with the help of some plugins also we are using. Okay, and also using the TEKLA integrator of this one also. With the help of these options, these models also export in the TEKLA structure, sir. Okay, so initially we are using the rapid structure with the help of IFC files. We are import this one. On the behalf of we are prepare all the sheets, all the labels, the 3D models will become generate this one. Or if we control the views also, so basically we are controlling all the views when we performing the modeling or rendering perform. Okay, so this one we are control this one also, which is showing the 3D view. All the views will become showing, as well as sheets also available. Sometime what will happen, our design will become okay, how can we performing the sheet.
Okay, so here I see this structure are very like if you see their model, it's very great. It's like I am using this Revit from last 4 to 5 years. So this software will give you the final touch of the project. Like we have the structure part also here. You can see the architecture part. But basically, as a civil engineer or a structural engineer, you have to deal with the structure. But if you have command over the architecture part, it will also okay. Okay, so from there it seeks like you can check each and everything. Like we have the east elevation. If you see east elevation, their elevation plan, right? This all we need in a basic level or the project report. We need to finalize this one. So in report, what kind of like we have to see like there is lots of things that we have to combine. So in final, if you see, if you tell you that you need first of all the DBR, that is design based report. Second, we have in DBR you can add lots of things like their analysis. In ETAB, generally, if you see, can you kindly stop sharing the screen?
Okay, sir.
So here you are seeing that I am sending you on the screen with this file. So this is one like we are preparing the report. It's still under process. So here you are seeing that in this DBR, this is whole process. Okay, like we have 2D and 3D plan, material section sizes, road consideration, analysis, stability check, substructure detailing, performance-based design, wind tunnel frame. Okay, so these are the steps that we have to follow up for the high-rise structure. Usually we are dealing with the high-rise structure. This is our architecture plan. This is all their briefing about their plan body. It's still under process. So my point is like how you can prepare this. Okay, so the preparation of this presentation, if you know to this one, like you can add the designs here, like lots of slides we have. Like I will provide you the slide that is basically used for the it's called the like making the presentation. Okay, like visual presentation, right? Right. So how you can prepare this visual presentation and the abstract data you can insert. It's little bit like difficult, right? You are in engineering school. This is some kind of management skill, but you need to prepare this report in well manner. So first of all, you know, like you have followed some steps in ETAB. First of all, what you have done, so you have to write down all the steps you have done. So first of all, we have done the like modal analysis on the self weight. After modal analysis, we have put the loading. What kind of loading? That is gravity loading and lateral loading. Either it's wind or either it's seismic. Okay. After loading, what we have done? We have done the analysis. And according to the codal provision, either you are using IS, ASC, okay, and another code that you have to check that based on that code, what is your region, and you have to fix that one. So here you are seeing that we have already mentioned the loading part, right? Here we have the load, same load, slab load. So now I will go to the E tab. Here if you see in the E tab, let me show you. So yeah, this one we have the E tab, and but their display will show you the tables. Okay, here we have the table that you are seeing. Karim, we have the table and we have the what you can that plot also, right? The story response plot. You see here, like based on the loading, story response. So here we have that all the check that you can do here, like each and every load you have put here. Like let me check for the EQX, that is equivalent static method. So we have this response. Okay, and you have to check for their maximum displacement, that is the story displacement. So it's coming under the like around that is 32 point something. Okay, that is 33 or 34. And here we have, you can see, you can export this file. Okay, here we have print plot. If you go for here, this one, you are seeing the display. This one, okay, and here we can save this one. Okay, we can save on the desktop. So this all file you need to extract, and you have to take the picture of this one to insert inside our report. Okay, and also their calculations. But each and every step that you have followed in the tab, you can prepare according to that. Okay, so that will be your, that is design based report that you are preparing. So how many kind of things that you have to provide to the client? Yeah, tell me. So first of all, you need to provide the DBR, that is design based report that we are preparing. After DBR, we will provide the detailing and estimations also. You can provide estimation also. If you are dealing in the management part, you can do the scheduling also. Okay, so these are the report you need to provide. After that, you have the layout or plan, the structure plan layout that you need to provide. So these all three things you can make with the different type of software. So this is your final result. It means you have done lots of work, and this is an like an engineer. You can say that engineer final result as a structural engineer. These are the 4 points. This is the 3 things that you need to provide. Okay, this G+25 structure is very huge. If I tell you that what will be their estimated like value, if you got this project, okay, so estimated value for the project, it will be like if their like Karim, hello, what is their floor area, Karim?
Yes, sir.
What is the floor area like their in a square feet? How much is their floor area? Approximately. Yes, yes. It is like 11, 11, and 11. There is 3 grid, right? So it will become how many square feet, Karim?
Sir, basically, the DPR also gives the geometry also, this one, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me show you the geometry here. This one, this we have. Right?
And the length or width, the length or width will become showing this one if you want to calculate the area, this one.
Yes, this we can calculate the area for the up to the fourth floor. After that, the building are like there is some podium level also. So that is the total cover area for the fourth floor. After that, we need to reduce that one. So approximately, if I calculate the total covered area, okay. So covered area it will become. Let me show you what will be the total value that we have length of the building, that is 34 into 51, right? And if you change in the square feet, so this is 1734 square meter. Okay, so if you change in the square feet, like if we have 34, so how you can change that? We have the unit conversion. If you see that here in the length, okay, I have to convert to the where feet and inches. I have to convert from meter to feet, right? So here we have 34, it means 111, right? Again we have 51. So 51, that is 167. So if you go for the 167 into 111, so one floor area is approximately 18,000 square feet, right? So 18,000 square feet into 4. So it's total 74,000 square feet. Right? Why I am calculating this one? Because I will show you how you can estimate this thing. So we have 74,148 square feet up to fourth floor. Not only for the whole structure, it's only up to the fourth floor, right, Kareem? So this is up to fourth floor. Okay. After that, the area of the one floor are almost its half. Okay. So its half means like if I go with the 18,500 square feet, 18,500 square feet divided by 2. So its one floor area is almost 10,000 square feet after 3 stories. Right, Kareem?
Sir,
Do you
basically
follow?
we are calculating the area, the particular story. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
the length or width will become same. The ground floor, then first to fifth will become similar. Then tower
Yes, yes.
portion. So if you
Tower
want to,
portion, yes, yes. Tower portion, they have some little area, like we don't have the like that whole structure are not similar. Okay, so that's why we have different area. So almost it's half their length. Like the from the basement, if you see the structure, if you show you here. Okay, so this one we have. So here you are seeing up to this story, we have calculated approximately like here this 17,000 square feet, 17,000 square foot, right? After that we have this story. Okay, so it's approximately 25 story, and their area is almost like this one and this one. Their half of the area is approximately are there. So we have 9,000 square feet for each floor, and we have 25 floors. I am just calculating for the references. Okay, for the yes. Sorry. Here you can see that we have. So after that one, finalize after the whole area. First we have up to here. We have almost 75,000 square feet. After that, we need to calculate for this one. So approximately 9,000 into 25. Okay, so that will become almost so it will become 2,25,000 square feet plus 75,000. So total in total it will give you 3 lakh square feet. square feet. And according to our Indian market, if you see that total cost only for the design and analysis, like if you have analyzed and design, it would be approximately cost like two two rupees to some in some case it go up to the 4 or 5 rupees per square feet. Okay, so this project, if you are working as a consultant or if you are working as a like a structural engineer or you are providing solution to this one, so I will definitely tell you that this whole project will cost like cost approximately this 3 into 2. If I count the minimum, it would be cost 6 lakh only for the analysis, right? And design. After that, preparing the detailing sheet, it would be cost extra. So approximately 5 rupees per square foot. That is the charge for this one. So total cost it would be 15 lakh for analyzing, designing, and giving the final presentation. This is the minimum amount. Okay, it rise in some case, but this is the minimum amount that any structure consultant or any structure firm will charge. Okay, and this is very cheap in India. Okay, if you go for other countries like Gulf countries and US, UK, they are like they will charge you mostly double or triple as compared to the Indian scenario. Okay, so this is very unique thing that as a civil engineer you can see that if you got only one project in a year, it's very enough. Okay. So, anyone having any question from today's session, they can ask. Hello. This is all about today's session.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir. Radhakrishna here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please.
No, I have one question. That whatever detailing part you are doing, you demonstrated today, na? But have
Yes,
you
yes.
done any live project for this abo detailing using this abo detailing, sir?
Yeah, we have done the live project. Okay. If you need, sir, just I will email you. Okay. Final say
Yeah, yeah.
after this workshop, all of you will get one final touch up file. Okay, that is DBR
Mm-hmm.
detailing. All you will get. So we will email you by tomorrow evening. Okay. We will give you
Mm-hmm.
complete solution for this project. For this
Okay.
one also, and we have one G+25 story structure also. Let me show you. I hope it is there. Okay, so I will show you exactly for the live project.
Okay. So detailing part of you, how whether this detailing software, whether it's taking care of ductile detailing and all, otherwise we have to do
See,
manually those detailing.
that manually it means like we have just reference. This detailing is not the final. We have take the
Uh-huh.
reference of this. After that, we need to again interpret the things using the CAD or any other software like BIM software if you have. So that is not the final one. That is just an reference. We need to do the ductile detailing. We need to like optimize the structure also. Okay, that is the another part. Okay, so I will show you like staircase detail. Yes, I have.
Okay.
So here you can see this is one project folder.
Okay.
There we have all
Similarly,
the
how this
detailing.
foundation also that directly we can use it for it.
Yes.
Okay, okay, sir. So that whatever document you will share that we'll discuss after.
Yeah, I will send you this whole file. And for this foundation design
Yeah, yeah.
and detailing, okay, we have already like in some classes it's going on for the RCC part. Okay, like there are only 5 foundation
Okay,
is there.
okay.
Particularly for this project, we have done the raft foundation and pile also, right, Karim? Pile foundation
Right,
is left.
right.
Okay, so pile foundation is left. Pile foundation is also under progress. Pile foundation and raft foundation, both we have done. Okay. So, anyone having more question? Hello. So I hope this session are very useful for all of you. Okay. Again, tomorrow we will have the session, and tomorrow is very important for the seismic design and detailing, no, seismic analysis and design. And tomorrow we will cover the things in very well manner. Well manner means if you present tomorrow, you will get whole idea, like each and everything you will get for the seismic analysis and design. Okay. So thank you again. We will meet tomorrow. Good night.